This is an anecdote to prove, to confirm that Khalifa is appointed by Allah. Definitely. I received a call from Imam Ataul Mujib Rashid Sahib. He was secretary of that shura. He called me, told me, Amir Sahib, you have to come as quickly as possible because you are a member of this Majlis Intikhabi Khilafat. Then, reaching the airport, I found it somewhat easy because I had in my mind someone which I thought myself he should be the Khalifa. I was in the plane, and Sadr Majlis Khudamul Ahmadiyya, his mother, father and family was also on that same plane. Allah says He appoints the Khalifa. So I must seek guidance from Allah. Each sajda, I was asking Allah. I was pleading to Allah, Oh Almighty Allah, I made a great mistake. I thought myself, I wrongly thought of someone who will be the Khalifa. I did not have that right. But it is your Jamaat and it is your Khalifa. You have to guide me. I'm a simple man. You have to guide me. I had a small sleep, and a voice came here, just here, Masroor. Now let me tell you, when I was the Amir, in the course of my Amarat, I did not heard about Masroor so much. Only once in Al-Fazal I read. Now I said, okay, I prayed again. After that, I had sleep. Then this time, a bit louder, with much more force. The sound of Masroor came here. Now, after that, I was totally convinced that Masroor would be the Khalifa. There was a paper in my pocket, and pen was there. I wrote from 12 to 4 a.m., Air Mauritius, that is Air Mauritius flight. Then I said 2 times Masroor. I have the piece of paper folded, put it in an envelope, then called Sadr Khudamul Ahmadiyya. He was near me. I told him, Nasim, please keep this closed and keep it with you. You will give me this after the election of Khalifa. All the members of Electoral College were in a Holiday Inn hotel, London. Every time we were there together, sometimes with small groups, sometimes big groups, sometimes daras and all that, but no one at any time was speaking about the election of Khalifa. No one. This atmosphere is very difficult to describe, very heavy. And when the meeting started, more than 100 people were there in that mosque. So now the proposition started, and one, I think it was Amir Ghana, he proposed Masroor, Mirza Masroor Ahmad to be there. And then now he asked for second. Who would second this proposition? Now I also stood, but I saw some 30, 40 people stood up to second. Then the Khalifa was elected, and it was Mirza Masroor Ahmad. I went out, I called Nasim, who was on the street, sitting on the street. You may open this, please, little paper in the envelope. The name of Masroor was there 2 times. That paper is still, will be able to show that to the general Jamaat in general.